In this video, I'll show you how to make an income statement in Google Sheets with Claude AI. First, sign into your Claude account and start a new chat. Next, ask Claude to create an income statement template for Google Sheets. You can use a prompt like, create a monthly income statement in Google Sheets with revenue, expenses, gross profit, operating expenses, and net profit. After that, Claude will generate a spreadsheet layout along with the formulas needed to calculate the totals automatically. Now, review the template and ask Claude to make any changes you need. For example, you can add categories for sales, marketing expenses, payroll, taxes, or any other financial information. Next, copy the spreadsheet structure and formulas that Claude creates. After that, open Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. Now, paste the template into your sheet and adjust the formatting if needed. You can customize the colors, headings, and categories to match your business. Next, enter your income and expense data into the appropriate sections. The formulas provided by Claude will automatically calculate your totals and profits. After that, review the results and make sure all calculations are working correctly. Finally, save your spreadsheet and continue updating it regularly to track your business performance over time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make an income statement in Google Sheets with Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.